I guess I'm gonna make some mushrooms with cheese in them.
First it's like, there's the cute bird. Then it's like, wait, bird, stop chipping away my wood. What kind of like little mini woodpecker type thing are you?
Oh yeah, it's pretty serious.
It's just chipping away.
Oh.
What's up, little chipper? I'm gonna call you Chipper. We should give him some seeds so he stops chipping it.
Yeah, like you want to get a
Oh,
birthday?
is he down there now?
It's still yeah.
Look, Chipper's going away. He's going at my target, Chipper. He's going, little redhead Chipper. There you are. Alright. We gotta figure out what kind of bird it is.
Maybe it's a woodpecker, maybe.
There is a little mini one.
Like it's a girl one or something.